Guys, what's happening? Appreciate you stopping by the Big Country channel. Today we're going to do some Cornish hens. First time I've ever done it on the Weber Smoky Mountain, so I'm looking forward to doing that. I've got them marinated right now in some pepper chipotle seasoning. You just mix it up with a quarter cup of oil and also a quarter cup of water. And I got them in the refrigerator, and they're going to be ready to go here in the next few hours. I'm looking at probably doing some cherry wood on this smoke here, and we'll see how that turns out. You guys stay tuned, and we'll get right into this. Alright guys, today we've got some Cornish hens that we're going to spatchcock. We're going to put them on the smoker and smoke them. Got a little marinade here, some chipotle pepper marinade. All it calls for is 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of water. So we're going to put these inside there, let it marinate for a couple hours, and we'll get ready to put these bad boys on the smoker. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to try to get this started here. I've never used this starter before. Just saw these today. I've seen other people using them. We're going to try that today. I'm trying to get this done before the bottom falls out. You see them clouds up there. I got a hurricane that's off the coast of Florida. So we're going to try to get this done. So you guys stay tuned. We'll get this lit and get this going. Alright guys, we've got these Cornish hens on here. I want to put some of that kicking chicken dry seasoning on here. Kind of kick it up a notch, if you will. And we'll check these here in a couple hours. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we are at hour in. Just want to take a good look at these here Cornish hens. Got great color to them. We're getting ready to check the temp on them, and we're going to see where we're at. Stand by. Alright guys, we got them Cornish hens done. Just pulled them off. They're looking great, looking amazing, great color. I'm getting ready to wrap them up and let them rest for a little bit, and we'll get the rest of the other food ready. So stand by guys. Alright guys, those Cornish hens turned out pretty good. We're getting ready to dig in here. Just want to look at the overall color of it. We've got some asparagus sauteed with some garlic and butter, and also some Parmesan cheese. Appreciate you guys tuning in today. We're going to sit down and feast on this Cornish hen. Y'all come back and see me.